Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Realme 14. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar, and now you have to go to settings, then click on Google Assistant, and now click on Voice Match. Then click here to enable Hey Google, and now you have to scroll down and click I agree, then scroll down again and click I agree again, and now click next. And then click on Retrain Voice Match model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay, let me try that again. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then click next, and now you can go back and go to lock screen. Then click yes, I'm in, and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's go back and go back again, and then click on Gemini. And as you can see, my Gemini is now enabled, so now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.